And similarly, that negative charge is induced to this strip. So these two strips have a negative charge. So they have a like charges, right? So we know that like charges repel to each other. So similarly here, now look at here. But here you can see the two strips, right? They are attached to each other. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, they are attached to each other, right? Okay, now look at here. Okay, yes, can you see that?
Yes, they're moving away.
Okay, they are repelling each other, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now all this is because like I rub it on my hair, and my hair has a lot of electron, right? That electron is transferred to this balloon. When I like bring that rubbed balloon near to this conductor, they induce. We have this metal ring, right? So
Yes.
metal J, this through that metal it induced. Okay, charges are induced till this aluminum strip, and these two aluminum strips become negative charges. Okay, so we know these two are like charges.